T Dog Nation, are you guys ready? Because it is time for day number 21 of our Monster Truck Super King of the Hill. We have 27 more trucks that are ready to battle it out on the Super 6 lane to see who will be joining our other 20 finalists in the Monster Truck Super King of the Hill finale. So with that being said, let's get into day 21. Kicking us off, we have Wolverine Survivor and the Bone Busters Predator. Here we go with day number 21. Who's it gonna be? It's gonna be Survivor for the win.
Lane 4!
Next up we got Lucas Oil Crusader, the Blue Crustacean, and Man of Steel. Race number 2, here we go. Who's it gonna be? It's gonna be Man of Steel for the win.
Winner! Lane 6!
Next up we have the X-Ray Jester, Black Stallion, and Wrecking Crew. Black Stallion for the win.
Lane 3!
Next up we have Gunslinger, the Felon, and the Classic Gravedigger. Alright, here we go. It's gonna be close race, but the Felon takes it. Now here's gonna be a good race. Pirate's Curse, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, and Hot Wheels Flashback. Race number 5, here we go. What a race, but Hot Wheels with the comeback for the win. Race number 6, we have Aftershock, Shattered, and the Track Ace Gravedigger, the Legend. Here we go. Who's it gonna be? Oh wow, that's heavy. Oh no! Never mind! Shattered! Next up we have King Crunch, the Chrome Mohawk Warrior, and World Finals. There we go, race number 7. King Crunch with the comeback to go to the next round. Race number 8, we have the X-Ray Medusa, Maximum Destruction, and the Purple Bad News travels fast. Here we go, race number 8, who's taking it? Oh, what a race!
Winner, lane 3.
The Max D takes the win. And Bad News came right off the track. Alright, the last race before the next round, we have Instigator, the X-Ray Black Stallion, and Inferno. Who's getting the final spot in the contender into the next round? It's going to be Instigator.
Winner, lane 2.
Kicking off round 2 with Survivor, Man of Steel, and Black Stallion. Who's advancing to the contender round is going to be Black Stallion for the win.
Lane 5.
Race number 2, we have the Felon, Hot Wheels Flashback, and Shattered. Who will be truck number 2 in the contender round? It's going to be Hot Wheels Flashback for the win.
Winner, lane 3.
And the final race before the contender round, King Crunch, Max D, and Instigator. Who will get the final spot in the contender round? It's gonna be King Crunch.
Winner, lane 1.
The contender round is set for day 21, Black Stallion, Hot Wheels Flashback, and King Crunch. Now, remember, we already have a King Crunch in the finale. But the question is, will this one be able to do it? As always, this is the first truck to win 2, and they will bump over 1 lane after each race. Here we go, contender round race 1, and it is going to be King Crunch taking the first win. All he needs is 1 more. Alright, King Crunch has to win. All he needs is one more. Can he do it? No, Black Stallion is like not so fast. Can Hot Wheels Flashback tie it all up? No, he cannot. Black Stallion is going to the finale. There you have it, T-Dog Nation. Black Stallion has won day number 21 and has earned his spot as finalist number 21 in the Monster Truck Super King of the Hill finale. I hope you guys enjoyed day number 21, as we still have from there all the way down to right there until we finally get to the finale. If you guys could please do me a favor, subscribe, ring that bell, and hit that thumbs up button. And I will see you guys next time for day number 22 of the Monster Truck Super King of the Hill. T-Dog is checking out.